You gotta make sure you fill up your blinker fluid right there.
Lemonade?
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, a new episode of Dealing with the Daily. Yeah, another episode of doing things. Trash bags and Windex, bro. Like, what are you doing? Trash bags. Why we got them? Windex. Why we have it? We're gonna drink it and then put the bag over our head. I'm just kidding. I guess. I don't know. If you come over here, you guys could probably potentially notice extreme haziness. It is awful. We removed the tint, well, the first layer, then right here you could kind of see like the second layer coming undone. It is a pain, just like everything else given it the Rish Touch. And I got recommended to use Windex because it has an ammonia, is that how you say? And it helps break whatever down. Plastic bag, Windex, and let it sit in the sun, but you have to keep spraying it and don't let it dry. So that's what we're gonna do and try out, and hopefully it brings off this residue and I can really scrape it off. So I was trying with a razor, just by itself, awful. It would take me forever. So definitely want it on a nice, you know, sunny, hot day. Let me turn this on. And let's put the bag over it like so, I guess. Update you guys really quick. Let's see if you can see. I got all this off and I still got this left, and I'm fighting it, man. I am fighting it. This method, like, I guess it would work, but it ain't working for me because I ain't doing it right, clearly. Yeah, I ain't do that side yet, and I've just been spraying Windex on the rear. You guys see that, man? It's like super hazy, man. It's like terrible. But look at that. So that looks pretty good though. We're starting to get a nice clear window so I could actually see while I'm driving and not need the windows down. Because at night it is super bad. There's like horrible glare. So this side is now being a little bit easier to come undone. That side is done. That's still like bagged like that, and I haven't even touched that side doing that. The rear, I just kept spraying. That's gonna be a pain, man. That is gonna be frustrating to get off. That one's gonna kick my ass. I already know it. It's better when I'm using two hands, but I'm just trying to show you guys. Then, you know, I obviously lift up the window and get the rest. Yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing. I'm hurting my fingertips right now. Should probably put some gloves on. Maybe it'll help a little bit. Maybe I'll go do that, and I'll continue this. Quick update: the pollen is getting crazy now. Like every single day is just coated. So yeah, this is definitely gonna be a challenge to keep clean on top of already having kind of like a shitty paint. But yeah, sprayed some Windex on this. Oh shit, it already dried up. Damn, I'll have to keep it wet. I could try to get this tint off. I'll struggle for a little bit to learn patience and gain mental.
Hell yeah.
Doing the POV. I'm sorry if you can't hear me as much or hear some things, because I need a window down at least. AC in this car just yet. Still a lot to figure out and do. And yes, I know I need alignment. We're just gonna be driving around. Really have no destination on where the hell we're going. We're just driving straight. Holy shit. That was scary, bro.
He's going fast.
I was just watching this shit on YouTube before leaving. Like bikes dipping from cops and whatnot. I didn't even hear him until I was just passing by. So there is quite a few things I still need to change in this, and I'm still fighting the clutch pedal adjustment and like where I want it and like where it feels good. I feel like I need to change out the rod or something in the clutch master, because there's something that's being a little finicky, but it's nothing like my white one where like you adjust it and nothing changed. I also need like transmission mounts, motor mounts. Seems like the cars are out this direction.
Going up a hill with this shit.
Stopped at Wawa's, got our beverages, a little sparkling water.
Lemonade?
Feeling a little watermelon-y. I'd be nervous, you know, these people be looking like they're gonna jump out in front of me and
And these lanes feel like they're small as straight thrifty lights.
Come on, people. Fuck. Straight.
Yeah. Gonna be on our right in 0.2 miles. I think this lady's leaving.
Usually what I do is like high pressure rinse it off a little bit. That's pre-soak. I think they just try to get you your money, man. Oh, pre-soak. Nah, I'm gonna just hit it with the soap. Alright, hit it with tire cleaner, soap, or soap, then tire cleaner, and then rinse off. Either or. Or sometimes because like, you know, you do the tire cleaner and it takes a while for it to like get off.
You want to use your card?
Yeah.
Okay. When you swipe your card,
I'm gonna throw $5 up in here, hopefully. My money's. Come on, man.
There we go.
Throw it at it, imagine. We got 5 minutes. Oh,
Hey, that's beautiful.
everything closed. Check it closed, whatever it closed.
Yeah.
How time runs down because like it takes a while for I don't know, soap's supposed to start coming out. Like there we are. See, it takes a little while. So they run you up like you know, 20 seconds of sitting there. You gotta make sure you fill up your blinker fluid right there. Because like if you don't, then your blinkers won't work. You gotta obviously put a little bit of soap in there because like it needs some soap to function because of the bubbles. And then you put it on the high pressure water because the pressure, science. So then you fill it up like that, and then moisture and stuff like makes electricity. Yeah. Barbecue, a tomato, onion ring, burnt bacon, a burger, and some American cheese. Same thing, just no tomato, no onion ring, and it's chicken instead of burger.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.